Today I am reviewing this magnetic broom mount. It has these two strong magnets on the side, so you can put it to your side of your fridge like I'm going to do here. And you can see they have these nice rubber holders, little grip in there to hold it down. Nice construction, very thick steel. Can't even really bend it. These come apart. These have a little spring tension because you can see the metal right there. So they bend and really grip the product. Yeah, so you just mount it. Listen to this. Has a strong magnet. That's not going nowhere. Just hold up to plenty of weight. This is great for like our little laundry room. You know, with the fridge out here or a garage, you can mount broom, mop, all that stuff. You can see, like everyone else, organization is nice. Has 4 holders right here. Here's another broom, and this thing. It's a little thicker, but it still fits. Everything fits there great. Keeps it all nice and organized. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.